Hi, my name is Harry. I'm the owner of Sporty's in downtown Fairfield. I started the business 26 years ago. I used to frequent this bar, and I met the owner at the bar at that time, and he was getting ready to retire. And I saw the potential downtown to run this business. What sets us apart here at Sporty's is a great atmosphere, friendly staff. We have a huge selection of drinks, huge selection of draft beer. We offer entertainment. DJs twice a week. We do all the sports packages with all the TVs. I have 21 TVs in here. And we have the newly addition back patio, which you can go out there and smoke and drink and watch TV out there. People feel comfortable in here, and it's just a great place to hang out. I think it's important to support downtown businesses. It brings more people downtown. Revenue from all the businesses go to the city, and that helps us small businesses. One of the ways they help is the REAP program, which I used to do all of my facade, my remodeling here in the bar. I would not be able to do it without that program because it would just be too expensive. And they streamlined all the permit process and made it very simple. Without customers spending money downtown, that would not be possible. My name is Harry, and the buck stops here.
To view more programs like this, follow the City of Fairfield on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.